nongeye kubaha ikaze mwe mukurikira ibiganiro bitandukanye bya Ibisha TV, nkomeza gushimira mwe mwamaze gukanda kuri ako kantu ka subscribe kugira ngo mujye mubona amakuru yacu buri uko tuyashyizeho umunsi ku munsi. Perezida Paul Kagame avuga ko abanyamakuru bibumbiye muri Rwanda Classified nta perezida bakoze ku rupfu rwa John Williams Ntwali witabye Imana azize impanuka ya moto. Ibi Perezida Kagame arutse kubitangaza mu kiganiro yajyanye n'umunyamakuru wa televiziyo y'Abafaransa France 24, aha umunyamakuru Permani abaza Perezida Kagame ati hari ibinyamakuru biherutse kwishyira hamwe bisohora inkuru ziswe Rwanda Classified zishinja u Rwanda kugirira nabi abanyamakuru n'abatavuga rumwe na leta. Harimo inkuru icukumbuye yakozwe kuri John Ntwali wapfuye muri Mutarama 2023 bemeza ko atishwe n'impanuka ya moto.
Ntwali, who died in January 23.
Where in Rwanda?
Kagame ati hehe mu Rwanda. Umunyamakuru muri kiganiro akomeza avuga ko inkuru zivuga ko yishwe kubera inkuru akazi n'umwuga wo kwibanda ku nkuru zicukumbuye bikavuga ko ari byo yazize. Perezida Kagame mu kumusubiza agira ati ibyo bakoze so gushaka kugaragaza ukuri kuko nta pereza namba bigeze bakora. Icyakora bigaragaza aho bakomoka. Buri gihe ni ukwiyenza ubwirasi. N'ubu twicaye nk'aha uzasanga umunyamakuru muri ibyo bihugu yishimiye kungaragaza nabi, anuka hanyuma akitwa intwari. Hano turi kuvuga ibijyanye n'itangazamakuru, politike, ibijyanye n'ibimenyetso n'ibihamya. Tariki ya 23 Mutarama 2023 nibwo polisi y'u Rwanda yatangaje ko umunyamakuru witwa John Williams Ntwali yapfuye aguye mu mpanuka ya moto nk'uko The Times yabitangaje. Icyo gihe umuvugizi wa polisi ishami ryo mu muhanda Irere yabwiye ikinyamakuru ko iyi mpanuka yabaye ahagana saa 8:50 zo mu rukerera ryo mu ijoro ryo kuwa 18 Mutarama 2023. Impanuka yabereye mu karere ka Kicukiro. Ni impanuka yavuze ko yatewe n'umuvuduko ukabije hagati ya moto yari itwaye John Williams n'imodoka y'abagonze. Reka nongere nshimire mwe mukurikira amakuru yacu atandukanye n'ibiganiro bitandukanye bya Ibisha TV, nkomeza kubashishikariza gukanda ako kantu ka subscribe no gusangiza amakuru yacu kugira agere ku bantu batandukanye. Nitwa Nsanzimana Jeremy.
Understand the process. And our process is no different from other processes anywhere in the world.
Right. But being elected with 90 or 95%, do you think it's a healthy thing for Rwanda? Because that's the most likely result.
The situations and contexts are different. I don't even mind that somebody is elected by 15% if that is their context. But why should you worry about somebody being elected with 90% if that is their context? Because in the end, it is the context that it decides.
There were some reports recently conducted by a series of media organized called Rwanda Classified, which report about a pattern of repression inside Rwanda, outside Rwanda, against those who oppose you. We don't obviously have time to cover everything. I want to touch upon the case of an investigative reporter, John Ntwali, who died in January 23, officially from a motorbike accident, according to the reports.
Where? In Rwanda?
In Rwanda, yes. Mm-hmm. According to the reports, there's suspicion that he was actually eliminated because of his work, his investigative work, because of his opposition. What do you make, this is an example of those reports who are essentially saying that you're behind a repression machine and sometimes a killing machine.
What they are doing is not trying to be right and correct, and they haven't even investigated what you are talking about. But it shows where they come from. It's always an attitude, it's always arrogance, it's always, when it comes, even like we are sitting here, journalists from these countries will feel happy, throwing mud at me and abusing me, literally insulting me, and in the end they pass for being heroes.
So you deny all those allegations?
No, answer my question, because I'm not supposed to be here in front of you answering allegations. You're not the judge, I'm not being prosecuted. Here we are talking about, we are reasoning, we are talking about journalism, we are talking about politics, and we have to have facts and evidence for what you are talking about.
Paul Kagame, I want to thank you very much for being our guest today. And thank you for watching this show here on Friends 24.